Hello dear girls and welcome to my channel. Today we are testing the brand new moisture protection hair dryer from Philips. Let's see how it works. I sectioned my hair and now I will start blow drying it using the new Philips Moisture Protection hair dryer and 2 volume brushes. This particular hair dryer is pretty cool due to its special sensor. It allows it to measure the temperature of your hair while blow drying it. So basically, it will keep all the moisture locked in. As you can see, I've already turned the sensor on, so by the end of this video I should have big, bouncy, beautiful hair and also keep the moisture to a good level.
Don't be shy of what you feel.
Now you already know I have to bleach my hair in order to achieve this light rose blonde, so I was the perfect candidate to test it out. So here we are. It took me like 15 minutes to blow dry my hair, and yes, I don't feel like I need to add any moisturizing product. It feels healthy and it just looks beautiful. And if you're looking for a new hair dryer, I think that Philips did make my hair look shinier, so I would recommend it. If you have a blonde or stressed hair, you know how they say, stressed, depressed, but well dressed. And yes, honey, this includes the hair. Take care of it. So this is it. Stay tuned to find out more tricks from our Something Beautiful series. Love, A.